This Nilight 70-inch strobe light strip uses an exceptionally dense array of light-emitting diodes to make trucks and work vehicles highly visible in both daylight and darkness. The strip is built with a thick, flexible polyvinyl chloride housing and a fully sealed design that shrugs off rain, road spray, and dust for long-term reliability. Installation is straightforward thanks to the peel and stick backing and included cable ties, so you can mount it securely without drilling into your vehicle. A dedicated control panel with a clear display and physical buttons lets you cycle through dozens of strobe patterns and quickly return to your preferred modes. The lighting modes include attention-grabbing left and right alternating flashes that are easy for other drivers to interpret as a caution or hazard signal. Because it is bright, weather-resistant, and easy to mount on different body styles, this strip works well on pickups, trailers, utility trucks, and other emergency or construction vehicles.